Hi, I'm Alani, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alani. This is Alani's La La Life, and today we're going to make the best strawberry banana smoothie that you will ever taste. So, first you will need 4 to 3 medium-sized strawberries and 1 ripe banana. The reason why I use ripe banana and a knife. The reason why I use ripe bananas is because ripe bananas are sweeter than yellow bananas. I don't prefer to eat these, but I think they're really yummy in desserts and drinks. So I'll see you guys when I'm done cutting up the fruits. So I chopped up the fruit, and I forgot to tell you, you will need crushed ice. Crushed because the regular chunky ice could hurt your blender. So crushed ice is the way to go. I just got not a lot, like a quarter. Depends how big this is. Not enough to like give some coldness in your drink and some thickness kind of. So I'm gonna plop the fruit in there, which this is so slimy. It's so nasty. And this is so good, guys. It's like so usual, but it's like so good. So I'll see you guys when I'm done putting all the ingredients in the cup. So next, when you're done putting all your fruit, you'll need any type of milk you have. I have almond milk, which I think is helpful because it's a good choice because it is healthier than normal milk, but it also don't taste different in smoothies. So a little bit to get all that up. I'll be right back. So I shake it until it gets all pureed. Okay, I shake it to mix it all up, and then I get my blender. Got the Ninja Professional with 900 watts, which cooks purees super fast. So I get this, and I'll see you guys when it's all mixed. So it's all mixed. I like to have a little bit of strawberry chunks. Okay, and I'm gonna get the cup, and I'll be right back. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some honey, and you're gonna I need to open it first, guys. You're gonna get some honey, and you just drizzle it in your cup. To get some presentation. I don't like this no honey. Then you're gonna get your drink. Then pour it in. Pour it in the cup. I'll be right back. So I got a strawberry. I cut it in half a little bit, like a slit. Then I put it on my cup, and you're done. You have a delicious strawberry and banana smoothie. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.